Welcome to Infinity Automated Solutions Pvt Ltd. We are an ISO certified company. At Infinity Automated Solutions, we manufacture end-of-line packaging solutions and conveying solutions. Our manufacturing plant is located at Pune, India. We have a state-of-the-art work facility spread across 20,000 square feet, which use most advanced and cutting-edge manufacturing process to deliver the best quality product. Our team consists of committed and dedicated individuals, who strive hard to offer the best possible solutions to our clients as per their requirement. We leave no stone unturned when it comes to fulfilling our clients' business requirement.
Infinity Automated Solutions is always at the forefront when it comes to delivering state-of-the-art automated secondary packaging solutions. Every secondary packaging solution we offer is developed and customized, keeping in mind our client's requirement and area of application. Infinity Automated Solutions offers excellent automated solutions for secondary packaging for various industries. We manufacture secondary packaging solutions for wrapping of strip of pouches and single pouches for making a bundle of secondary package. Infinity Automated Solutions have always proven our capabilities to the best of our customer satisfaction. We have offered futuristic solutions based on our varied experience in the fraternity of automation and packaging solutions. We manufacture end-of-line packaging systems for various applications. All end-of-line packaging solutions are designed for customized applications. Our innovatively designed solutions will result in smooth and fast end-of-line packaging for pouches into box and pouches into bags. Infinity Automated Solutions is a highly reputed manufacturer of advanced automatic cartoning machine, horizontal cartoning machine, automated box packaging system and carton box packaging solutions. Our automatic cartoning machines are widely used in different industries such as pharma, cosmetics, food packaging, confectionery, etc. We manufacture customized cartoning solutions based on the requirement of the customers. An online Checkweigher is an automatic weighing machine that is primarily used to check the weight of a commodity. Typically, it used at the end of the production process to ensure that the weight of the packed commodity is as per the specified limit. If there are packages that are over or under the specified weight limit, they are removed instantly. Infinity Automated Solutions is one of the leading Checkweigher manufacturers in India. This automated Checkweigher system has the capacity to weight all types of packs, pouches, boxes, etc. We develop customized Checkweighers according to the requirements of our clients. Infinity is one of the leading conveying systems and material handling systems manufacturers in India. Our conveying systems are manufactured using eco-friendly materials of the highest quality. Our material handling systems are highly suitable for silent operations and for various industries.
We are having a wide range of customers like pet food, spices, chips and namkeen, tea, stationery manufacturer, pharmaceutical, confectionery, tobacco industry, agriculture seeds, frozen foods manufacturer, etc. Our mission is to build a world-class organization through helping customers achieve their business objectives by providing innovative, best-in-class solutions and services. For more information about our product and services, feel free to contact us.